Hi, John Morgan here with the Keep Growing podcast, where we take a look at weekly gardening tasks for the Mid-Ohio Valley. This week we're covering week 27 of 2024, Saturday, June 29th to Saturday, July 6th. Let's start off by taking a look at the forecast. Okay, the last couple weeks have been great for getting outdoor tasks done, aside from the insane heat, because there's been very little rain. Now it's starting to get a bit worrying. We need rain. We're finally looking at some rain in the forecast today and tomorrow. And Monday we're even going to have temperatures in the lower 80s. That's downright brisk. Then we're heading back into the oven midweek before we finally see more rain and better weather heading into next weekend. Hopefully we have a dry July 4th. Today we're getting to that time of the summer where summer squash are plentiful in the garden. One of my favorite ways to prepare them is in the air fryer. Take a summer squash, cut it in half, drizzle some olive oil on it, and season it how you like. Personally, I like to use Cavender's Greek seasoning. Then you cook it for 10 minutes at 390 degrees. And during the last couple of minutes of cooking, I also like to add some Parmesan cheese. It makes for a quick, simple, delicious meal. Monday, July 1st, seed late cabbage and cauliflower for fall harvest. Tuesday, July 2nd, seed late corn, snap beans, kale, and broccoli. Also, seed or plant endive. Wednesday, July 3rd, watch for tomato blight. Also seed carrots and Swiss chard. Thursday, July 4th, is Independence Day. It's also the day to have a juicy tomato on your burger, but also plant cherry tomatoes for fall. Friday, July 5th, is the new moon, and again, it's a good time to sow late sweet corn and beets. Finally, Saturday, July 6th, order garlic cloves for fall planting. It's important to plant your garlic bulbs in the fall because they actually need cold temperatures during the winter. During the wintertime, they go through a process called vernalization that triggers the formation of individual cloves in the bulb. Head out into the garden this week, celebrate our independence, and of course, keep growing. For a full transcript and show notes, visit us online at bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing.